Everything in nature is subjected to nature itself. If a bird decides that, hey, today I want to be an aquatic animal, then we're going to have problems. But in order for the bird to fly, the bird have to submit to the sky, because that there is the realm of operation. If a fish decide that it wants to fly, we will have a challenge because it is disconnected from the source from which it was designed to operate in. But if he decides that he wants to swim, then he has no challenge. That there can occur. So it is innate